Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. As you can see, this is the sheet. The sheet is in French. So this file was initially in Excel. I have converted this into Google Sheet and I have made few changes in it, some modifications and some improvements. So first of all, let me show you, this is the calendar where you can select the numbers from here. So if you will select 2023, you will see the calendar for 2023. If you will select 2024, it will change the calendar to 2024. So I'll keep it to 2023 and I'll show you the how the things are working in here. So the first thing, the requirement was to take the date from here, check for the month in the date, go to that sheet, check for the particular date, go to the time, and check if the time is in within the range, if it is under 12.3 or after 12.3. So it's evening and this is morning. Then get the total out of that number in here. So it's completely dynamic and working here. So I have formulated all of these. Here you can see currently it's showing for the month of January, for the month of February, all are dynamic and working. I'll show you another value for the October, I guess. Yep, so we have a value in here. Here it is for 22nd November. So I'll go to the November and here we have only one date available, and the total for both of these are 3. Okay, so now I'll go back to the top and show you the changes for the time here. So currently you can see this one is showing 4 and this one is showing the total of 2. But if I'll change this time, so how you can change it, you just need to double click on it, select, and I'll make it 19.30 maybe. So this is very important. You have to type the whole number. So it's time, so you need to enter in time formats. And I'll hit enter. As soon as I'll hit enter, you'll see the number got changed. So now it's taking all the time from time till 1930 on this column, and after 1930 to 24 hours is in this one. So you can see the numbers got changed. So if I'll go back, I'll type in 12.30, and here you will see the number will change in here and here as well. So this becomes 4, 4, and this becomes 16, 5. So this is, you can see, this is completely dynamic now, and we are getting the total according from each sheet. Let me change this and show this one for the February. Let's take this one. So these are the total of 10, 3, 3. I think if these are hours, so 3 hours before this time and 7 hours after this time. So if I'll change this one, I'll make it 19.30. And now you see the time is coming in the range on this column because the time range is raised. So if I'll make it 23.00, everything is in here. If I'll make it maybe 01.00, you will see everything will got shift in here because the time before 1 a.m. is only 1 hour and the rest of the data is going inside the evening. So this is how you can use it. 12.30, I'll make it that. So now evenly distributed things. Now, okay, let me show you the modifications I have made on the sheets. First of all, there was a formula throwing error. I have changed all of those formula on the top, deleted extra rows. I have changed these formulas for all of the tabs. So previously, these totals were not calculating the correct number of rows. So some were calculating till like this, some like the 24 rows, some entries were taking only 35 entries. So now this is completely dynamic and you don't need to touch these formulas, and these will get the right results every time even if you will add more rows in it. But I won't recommend this to enter the values like these in here until it is necessary. Otherwise, these will get in the total as well. So you can always add a column on the right side for the remark, and you can add the comments in there. So all these formulas are completely changed, and those are also dynamic, and you will see the results if you will add more entries to it. Okay, so I'll keep the formatting. Okay, so this is done on all of the tabs. All of the formulas corrected, changed the formatting and the formulation for these so that these are completely dynamic. And yes, that is it. Okay, now the last thing. You were saying that you want to make a copy of the file. So how we can do that? You can always make a copy of the file like this. go to the file, make a copy, and you will be having a new file which you can always use. What I can do for this is that once you are done with it, you let me know. I'll leave the formulas as it is. I'll delete all the entries, not these. These are all the formulas. So if there will be any manual input in any of the all the sheets, like except these orange cells, rest of all of these entries from column A to N and S to AC are a manual entry. I can clear those on all the tabs. So once you'll be going to the menu, extra menu, I'll show you that one in the next video. So once you'll be making a copy of a new file, you can go to the menu, press the button, and that will refresh the whole file, and it will remove all the manual entries from the sheet so that you can start fresh. Okay, so that is it from my side. Please let me know, and please do let me know a number so that I can share the. Okay, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.